Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have my August Allure, so let's get into it and see what we've got. The Allure Beauty Box is just a box that I purchase on my own. You can purchase it over time. That brings the price down. It starts at $25 a month and goes down from there depending on how much time you take it out over. I buy this on my own. I will put a link down below to take you over to it, but I'm not affiliated with it in any way. When we open it up, this is what we have. Ooh, let's open it. This is what we have on the inside. I took out paperwork that comes with it. It tells us a little bit about everything that's in the box. We also have this, introducing add-ons. Take your box to the next level. Don't miss out. Shop our new add-ons and get free shipping. Everybody's gonna start doing add-ons. That's what most of the boxes have gone to. This is the August box. I do have a customization in here. We're just gonna work from the top down. Right on top, I have a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. You guys know I am passing this along. I can't wear any of the Glow Recipe products. They are all built to be aggressive. I find every one of them, even the Plum Plump, which I tried to make myself like, they're just too aggressive for my skin. So I will pass this along, but let me show it to you because their products are always gorgeous. They're just beautiful. See the pink, and can you tell it's glass and the nubbly of it? They're just beautiful products. Exfoliating PHA and BHAs sweep away dead skin cells and clear blocked pores so complexions can look more even and smooth with newfound radiance. Hydrating hyaluronic acid and cactus water keep skin happy, while the light watermelon scent is a refreshing plus in the summer. So this is $36 for 150 ml, and we got a 40 ml bottle in the box. So about a $10 value if I were just rounding at the math of it. But that is what it looks like, and I will tuck it back in its box to be given away because I have just never had any luck with the Glow Recipe products. Next out, I have, oh, Tower 28. This was our product. If you subscribe to Allure Beauty Box, they have made it super easy now to go in and do your customization each month. You will get an email. You can sign into your account. I never click through an email. That's something else you could know about me. I got it in Drink. I don't remember the name I picked. I picked the most pink one, you guys know. I do pink, but I never click through links. So I go over to, because I don't trust anybody, apparently. I didn't know how much I didn't trust people until the internet said, click on this link. Tower 28 Juice Balm Vegan Tinted Lip Balm in Drink, Mix, or Squeeze. These adorable crayons pack a pretty punch of color in a hydrating stick format. It's like your favorite lip balm and beloved lipstick had a baby. Each shade, you get to pick the color that's right for your box, is easy to wear all summer long and can easily be sheared out if that's more your vibe. It is full-sized and it is a $16 value. One of Tower 28's claims to fame is that they are cleaner products. Oh yeah, I was afraid that that was the color I'd ended up with, but no, it's definitely the, ooh, that is gorgeous. I love that. That is perfect for me. I mean, I love that. That's totally me. I do not regret my choice at all. That is lovely. I can definitely see the sheer to it. So yes, very pleased with this. This alone covers the cost of my box. So everything else that I do like and can use for myself is a bonus. Tower 28 must be popular with the teen crowd. They must really like it because whenever I get Tower 28 in one of my boxes, my grands who are 14 and 17, two of them, the others are much younger, always love the Tower 28. Okay, next out I have BFC. I think that's what it says. That is what it looks like. Let's see what it is. It says it is Beauty for Certain Cream Highlighter, number 8 in Pearlescent Taupe. It says glowing skin is a summery makeup staple, and this creamy highlighter in a sparkling champagne shade delivers that and more, adding instant radiance to cheeks and lids. This is a $20 full-size value. With Allure Beauty, you will have, I think, 6 products, and they say 3 of them will be full-size, and it will have a value of more than $100. Ooh, this is good and sealed. I appreciate they wanted to make sure that didn't come open in transit. to put my finger in there or not to put my finger in there. Can you, I'm gonna pull this, there you go. Let's say I'm gonna pull this back because I think you can appreciate with it pulled closer back to me that it's a darker color. I don't think I'm going to put my finger on that. That is what it, there you go. There you go. That is what it looks like. And for me, for a highlighter, I mean, that's found. Actually, I was gonna say it's foundation tone. It might actually be even a little darker than my foundation. So I am not going to swatch that. I'm going to seal it very nicely and set it aside to pass along. Okay, next out we have the Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Vitamin C brightening, all red flags for me. Red flags. It is Innisfree, and as a rule, if it is a product that I can use, I do enjoy the Innisfree products. It's a little bottle with the dauber top. This says that it is the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme PHA Amino Acid Cleansing Foam, the Hyaluronic Serum, or the Vitamin C Brightening Serum. So there were 3 choices, and this is the one I might could have used the cleansing foam, would have been my only shot with the 3. It says, as refreshing and quenching as a tall iced tea, each of these K-beauty formulas helps protect skin with antioxidant green tea all summer long. Whether you're cleansing, exfoliating, or hydrating, these formulas are light and a breeze to apply. You'll receive 1 in your box. The brightening serum is $32 for 30 ml, and we have 7 ml, so a little less than a quarter. So a little less than $8 worth. So I will set that aside to pass along. I cannot use that. So far, this isn't the best Allure month for me. Still a great box. If you can use these products, they're great brands. I unfortunately have such sensitive skin that it's problematic for me. We have the Fresh Black Tea Advanced Age Renewal Eye Cream. So excited. This I can definitely use. So that is what the box looks like. This is probably saving, first of all, my box price was covered just with the lippy that I know I will use. Second of all, I will use this eye cream, and I can guarantee you this is gonna cover the cost of the box. Fresh Black Tea Anti-Aging Eye Cream. It's a forever favorite skincare brand, and the smoothing eye cream in its beloved black tea line does not disappoint. Everything about it makes it a joy to use. The pretty pot, the way the cream feels cooling and soothing, and the blend of moisturizing and antioxidant ingredients, including ceramide, black tea, and vitamin C that smooth and brighten the delicate skin around the eyes. This is full-sized, and it has a $72 value. I may try it anyway. It has vitamin C in it. I know I spent my whole life saying to you guys, I can't use vitamin C, but it's gonna be here, right up under my eye. And where I am super sensitive is, I know, it's like I'm walking a tightrope, but it's really in my cheek where I flush. So I think if I just do it right at the base, I'm trying it. So if I come on here looking like I've taken a wet rag, snap to the face, it was probably this. And I will, when I try it for the first few days, I have a couple of those, they're gold, little pot, they're tiny little pot spoons that you can use for these kind of things. I will use those in case I want to pass this along. I'll make sure it's fresh and clean. But it is a pretty little pot, and it's a $72 value, and it only has a little bit of vitamin C, so I'm gonna try it. I'm trying it. Just in the 2 things I can use, I have a $100 value. So 72 and 28 for the 2 things I like. What is this? This is a Blume Pet Buds 12-pack power patches for acne prone skin. I will set this aside. I think my girls like, what's the big one? They like the big one, the big brand, the little acne patches. But I will set these aside because they're here. And they're free, so somebody will enjoy this. Whether it's me, I get probably maybe 2 pimples a year, maybe. They're always right here. I used to blame it on phones because I'm that old. We used to have phones right there, but now we don't have phones right there, and periodically I will still get that same zit, so it wasn't the phone. I think I read a thing once that said if you get your zits here, it means one thing, here it's somewhere else. I don't remember what that was. If you know what that is, let me know, because that's, I mean, it's, I almost have a slight discoloring there. It tends to want to be a little red there just because that's where it's been all the years. And it's always the kind that stays under the skin. It rarely breaks through. Anyway, there's a lot of information about my zits you didn't even ask for. Bonus content. Okay, and at the bottom we have Good Chop, free chicken breasts for life. Never heard of Good Chop. And we have Factor, 55% off. I'm gonna actually keep this one. It's a Factor coupon, but my mom has used Factor in the past because it's an easy way to get good food for her and my dad. So I will set that aside in case she can use that. So this month's Allure, August, was the acne. Oh, I didn't tell you about the acne patches. Hold on, I'll tell you a little bit about the acne patches. Blume Buds Power Patches for Acne. Salicylic acid and hydrocolloid are the two best ingredients out there for shrinking pimples, and you'll find both of them in these easy-to-use patches. If you're prone to the occasional breakout on hot, sweaty days, then these will help get you through. And it is $17 for 24. We have 12. So $8.50. These are good to have around. And also they have a resealable, once you rip it here, it's got a resealable top, which I think is fantastic because I have had patches in the past that did not reseal. So we received the patches, the Innisfree Brightening Vitamin C Serum for your face. We have the Tower 28 Lippy Color. I took it off already, that I chose. That's very pretty. We have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA, BHA, toning acid, also not great for me. We have, very cool, the Fresh Black Tea Eye Cream. Very excited about that one. And the BFC highlighter that I'm going to pass along because it is darker than my foundation color. So I don't think it's gonna be a great highlighter for me. Okay, that was the Allure box. I think it was a totally great box. It was just not the perfect box for me because of the color of the complexion and then all of the acid in most of the other products. The only things I will probably use out of this one are the Tower 28 Lippy and the Fresh Under Eye Cream. Still a $100 value. And the box was, I think, 23. I want to say 23. I think it's 25 if you pay month over month and then it decreases. And I think mine, because I do every 3 months, I need to make it a year. I'm just waiting for them to have a really good deal. Probably do it Black Friday. And I'll do a year's worth. And maybe the pimple patches. If I happen to still have them here before one of the girls likes them and takes them, and I happen to get a pimple, it'll be me. If not, I'll just pass it along and wait for the next patch. I almost always have a set here to use because we get them periodically. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Let me know what you think about the Allure box. I think it's a great box. I think I'm the problem. I think the box is fantastic. I'm just too sensitive. Thanks for being here, guys. Have a great evening. If you don't subscribe, I hope you'll consider doing so, and I will see you again soon. Bye, guys.